Just watch, man. I want a problem.
So guys, Birmingham today. What we got here in Birmingham then? We've got a Palestine table there. It says Syria on it, but it's Palestine. Got a lot of undercover police in Birmingham today as well. Got some perfume being sold there, look. Got that thing there blasting out music. Well, it was blasting out music. Yeah, lots of undercover police around here today. I'm not sure why. Lots of cars parked in the city centre with undercovers in, watching. Yeah, look, I told you, got police down there watching. Got a cop car there. There is one right down there undercover.
I love you!
And, I'm not sure why. Not sure what's going on. There's a better view of the table, look, there. There's the perfumes. Again, the music is blasting out here. We're just gonna keep going through Birmingham city centre at the minute. Just gonna have a look at different cities. Lots of religious stuff in the cities now. Look, you've got one there, one guy here, a few there, look. Yeah, I'm seeing it more and more, to be honest. These places I go and usually do audits and drone stuff. When I'm in the city, that's what I see. There's some perfume being sold here. A very dodgy looking character there selling that. This is Birmingham. We've got Sports Direct right there. Double floor. And the Britannia Hotel. The Britannia Hotel actually is government contracted up in there. Very hidden away there, but it is the full building, I believe, that one. Yeah.
Go and do some job, mate.
You want, mate?
Yeah. All the time, Muslims.
Sorry.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, do some job, man. It's good work.
Me?
Yeah, you're the man sitting,
I'm filming everybody, mate.
It's not good, is it?
Why?
You get a job for yourself, man. Earn some money. Good work.
Like you, yeah? Wow. I didn't see him coming over, so I wasn't prepared for him. Filming Muslims, I'm filming everybody. Yeah, he was walking slowly, and I didn't think he was coming to me. Otherwise, I'd have filmed him straight up coming over. But no, he did it on the sly. Well, I'd rather be doing my work, mate, than stood in the street selling perfume. We're going to keep going for a second. We may go back to him in a second and have a look. But yeah, continuing through. I'm hopefully going to get to the undercover car down the bottom of here, if it's still there. Oh, lots of police up here. What is going on up there? Let's go over here.
You see, like, even though they're really like
Oh, they are actually searching there. What is that for?
Come down, relax, relax, relax. Move from here. Just move it from here. Oh, sorry, I
You're right. I've no idea. I just send the police to come over. But they're searching, I don't know what for. I thought it was like a community, they were talking to people, but they're not. They're here for a... Ah. You're right. You're right.
What is life?
Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. Big police presence today in Birmingham. That's right, yeah? Oh, welcome to Birmingham.
Oi, don't make videos. Are you making videos? Why are you making videos? Why is he making videos? Don't make videos.
Don't tell me what to do, mate.
Why is allowed?
Legal.
Don't make videos.
It's legal.
Watch.
But what you're doing is not legal. It could be for your protection. If they do something wrong, you've got a video, right? Don't tell me what to do, mate.
Who are you police?
You follow the law and you wouldn't be there, would you?
Just give him a minute. Just give him 1 minute to ask a
Yeah,
question.
no worries.
Would you mind just stepping in
No
a
worries.
bit further back while we
Yeah, no worries.
Just because of his age, I just want to give him a bit of privacy for a minute.
Because I can.
You have done everything for you guys, but why is he making videos? Why are you? Usually when they go for an NRA, choose it.
You're right.
Yeah, no problem at all. Something soon.
If someone nicks that bike, you're going to go after them, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But would you catch them?
What do you think?
Sorry. Very angry individual, this one. Very angry individual. So this, officer, this is a what? A detector or just a indication?
Indicator. Yeah.
So it could be anything, but you check it.
Happy on NDA.
Have you got any injuries from the handcuffs? No, you got no injuries.
It must have put the
Just wise, man. I'm gonna fuck you up, bro.
You're gonna fuck me up, are you?
Why are you making videos?
Yeah?
okay, guys.
You're gonna fuck me up, are you?
He hasn't
Okay,
he hasn't said that. You're
He
trying
literally just said that. Do you want to play the video?
No, I'm alright.
No, but she literally just said to me that he didn't say that.
You staying here for the rest of the
That's
shift?
literally what he said.
What?
I'm gonna fuck you up in a minute. That's exactly what he said.
Okay. So we'll send him on his way.
You do what you want, mate.
That's fine.
I'm just filming. I don't expect somebody to make a threat like that.
But I wouldn't advise you going over to antagonise.
I ain't going over nowhere, mate.
That's fine, that's fine.
Yeah. Bye. You're right. So I'm not really sure. I think the police are just here, generally doing this today here. And he just got pulled. Well, that will be one for the Charlie Beach bodyguard. He's exactly the type of guy that would get KO'd by Mr. Fred. Yeah, this officer here said that he didn't say that. It's a bit of a naughty thing to say, officer, that. You could say I didn't hear it, but to say he didn't say it is quite bad. It's blatantly on my video, he said it. When these go, I'm going to fuck you up, watch. Yeah, which is why I said back to him, oh, you're going to fuck me up, are you? I didn't just randomly say it. Yeah. I wonder who they go for. I wonder why those two lads got pulled in. I wonder what was the reason or the suspicion. So, here's the undercover car there. Right up at the other end of the town. We're just going to have a little look around before we head back. It's very busy, and that guy blends in quite well. He doesn't really stand out. He's dressed in normal clothes, so we've got to be a little bit careful. I mean, quite clearly he didn't have anything on him there and then, so he made a threat as if he had something on him, and blatantly he got searched, so he didn't have nothing on him. But no reason why he hasn't now, so just have to be a little bit careful. It's not York after all. It's quite a dangerous city, I think, Birmingham now, or can be.